How to check your Instagram Notes history. The first thing you do is open up your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged in. After that, you can tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. And usually, what happens is you could check your activity. So go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right, and then click on your activity. And from here, you could check your history. So click on account history. And here you'll be able to see different kind of history. So click on update type. You could see your bio, email, messaging name, password, and many more. But there is no option to check your notes history. So in order to check notes history, what you need to do is go ahead and request your data. So head over to settings, tap on the account center, and then click on your information and permission. Head over to download your information. And then from here, you can transfer or download information. Tap on it and select your Instagram account. Click on next and click on some of your information because you don't want all of your information to clog up your device. So just select a specific type of information that you need. So you just need notes, which is related to messages. You can tap on messages and then simply tap on next. If you want, you could also download other additional informations like settings, apps, websites, personal info, device info, and many more. Now, after tapping next, you can download it to your device directly and then select your date range. So let's say if I want my notes for the last month, I'm just going to select last month and then tap on save and create files. Once you have done that, a request will be sent to Meta and it will be ready for download like this. So just click on download and you should be able to get that information. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll catch you on the next one.